August 16th here in beautiful northwest Wisconsin. It's about 75 degrees today. Pretty sunny out. Late in the afternoon now, so we're in a little bit of shade. So we're going to dig in here. We haven't inspected our hives or any of our bee builders in about 10 days now, so anxious to get in and see what these girls are doing. But yeah, let's take a look at the bee builders and Hive 3 here first. Alright, let's take a look at this bee builder number 2. This one I direct released a purchased mated queen, Saskatraz queen, be on the 31st, so she's been in here 16, 17 days now. So she should be well established. I'm anxious to see what she's doing here inside this nest. Like I said, this was a direct release Saskatraz queen. First time I direct released a queen. Here I'm seeing brood. Nice little brood pattern in the middle of the frame. This frame is one of the blank ones. All this side's full of eggs. Wow. See the brood pattern on that side. This is a brand new blank frame that they drew out, and it's packed full of eggs. Well, that's awesome. Oh, another very nice brood frame. Oh, and there's our queen. Take a quick look at her on camera. It's marked blue for this year. Beautiful queen. Nice big girl. Doing a great job. Like I said, she's been in there 16, 17 days. Very nice brood pattern. Both sides of the frame. Well, that looks good. So I think we'll leave these bees alone and we'll dig into Hive 3 next. Hang on. Alright, let's dig into Hive 3 here. Hive 3 is actually a Saskatraz daughter that I hatched here in the apiary. She came back from her mating flight and has been in Hive 3 since the end of July, so 17 days I think now. Let's take a look at her, see what she's been doing. Boy, they got it good and glued down. Pretty gentle hives, so I don't think I'll need much smoke. Boy, they got these frames just glued. It's an outside frame that was a brand new undrawn frame. They're working it pretty hard. They're about half built out. This side's pretty much full. I'm assuming they'll be filling that up for honey. With honey. I'll leave this one out. A lot of bees. Get bees on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frames of bees. They might need another box. Let's see how these other frames look. This is a heavy frame. Full of pollen. Pollen in the middle and bottom and honey on the top. Same on this side. Nice to see. Ooh, nice brood frame. Another brand new frame that they completely have drawn out. Packed full of brood. Ooh, both sides. Very nice to see. 17-day-old hive. And it looks like it is booming. I did give her 4 frames of bees when I introduced her to this hive. They're getting a little bumpy now. Holy brood frame. Back full of brood. Both sides. Very nice looking brood frame. So this queen that came out of my apiary is putting it into overdrive for the winter. She's trying to get her little hive here built up with as many bees as she can. Another brood frame. Solid brood and larvae. Both sides. Now this hive needs another box. They're going to explode here shortly. Once all these bees hatch. Another solid brood frame. Brood, pollen, honey. Lots of drone brood on the corner. I like to get a look at my queen. She is the biggest queen that I have in my apiary. And she's the newest queen also. One of the newest queens. There's another blank frame full of larvae. Brand new frame all built out and packed full of larvae. This side's larvae and cap brood. There's another blank frame that I put in as they're drawing out. Almost completely drawn. Got eggs in it. Little pollen, little honey. So our queen's close. We've seen our first eggs. is a solid pollen frame and honey. Honey and pollen. Completely drawn out, so they need some space. I only got about a half a frame left to draw in this box. Here's another one not completely drawn that they're working on. Oh, there's our big queen. Boy, she's big. And she is looking for anywhere she can to lay. You know the size of her. Big old blue dot. Beautiful Saskatraz queen. Alright, let's get her back in. Alright, well that was a great inspection. I need to add a box. Way too many bees and no more room. So that's a good thing. But I'm going to go ahead and button up here. If you like what you're seeing or want to see me continuing my first year of beekeeping here in northwest Wisconsin, please subscribe. Comment if you have any suggestions or see anything I should be doing or shouldn't be doing. I love comments. Please follow. Thanks. Alright, we're going to take a look at bee builder number 1 here. This little bee builder has a failing queen from my bigger Hive 2 that we'll look at later today. Didn't want to get rid of her and I had the room. So I put her in this little bee builder box and gave her a frame of bees and just to see if she'd make me some more bees. And lo and behold, they started making 2 procedure cells because she's, you know, a failing queen. And we're probably at about day 6, day 7 since they capped one of the queen cells. So let's see what's going on in here. Not very many bees in here, but that's to be expected. I only gave them a frame of bees and a couple blank frames, and just to see what they would do. Instead of pinching the queen off, I said I'd give her another job, see if she could do that, but looks like maybe she's going to give me another queen though. Got a nice honey frame on the outside. Got some pollen in there. Brood frame. Lots of cat brood, some larvae. On this side is our queen cells. There's one cap there. It looks like it's, well, looks like it might be exposed larvae, but well, we got some bees anyway. A lot of capped larvae. So that failing queen has at least given us some bees. And we got a frame of pollen. Lots of pollen. Not seeing our queen. So she might be done. I didn't see any eggs either. So hopefully we'll find a new queen come out of that procedure cell. Or she may still be in here, the old queen, and we just didn't see her. So let's get this one buttoned up and then we'll look at the other bee builder.